welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing alright, and if you're looking at my videos and going, my god, that woman doesn't ever change her clothes or her makeup, it's not true. It's because I'm binge videoing is all I can say. Binge videoing. I'm covered in swatches, I'm covered in glitter, I'm covered in everything, and I mean everything. There's just everything. So what am I showing you today? Okay, I am showing you today the rose gold and gold 4K highlighters, which are these babies here from Revolution Pro. Now, I have used them, but I also have done some close-up shots of these before I actually started using them. So you'll be able to see what they look like in their pristine condition, and you'll be able to see that now. Okay, so as you can see, we have two palettes. So I'm going to go through the rose gold one with you first. Okay, so the packaging for a start is stunning. It's a matte black with a patent black stripe across the Revolution Pro, which I think is extremely professional looking. On the back, we have a demonstration of obviously what the shades are going to be like. Oh, beg my pardon, what the shades are going to be like. These are the ingredients for you. So if you would like to pause the video just so that you can have a quick gander at what they look like, so you can see. And then on the back you've got, right, each product is 4 grams each, so you're getting a lot of product, which works out at 0.14 ounces. It is recyclable. The packaging itself can be recycled. It's got a 6-month shelf life. Not a great shelf life, but it's also cruelty free and it's vegan. So big claims there for Revolution, and it just says designed and developed in London. So let me just show you this now. Now obviously I've been wearing this a lot, and I mean a lot, so there's a bit of fallout, but I'm going to show you swatches of these. There are no names to these colours, but they are beautiful, and I believe that these are a dupe of the Huda Beauty highlighters, so I've been told. So I'll swatch these for you now. So we've got this gorgeous white colour, which is beautiful. I mean, that's a proper sort of platinum white colour. So I'm going to pop that there so that you can have a look. So that's what she looks like. She is a proper white highlighter. Yeah. Then next to that we have this very, very pale pink highlighter, which is the one that I use the most. It's more like a champagne actually, but it does look more pink in the pan itself. So let's just swatch her. So she has got a slight rose gold tint to her. She's very, very pretty. Then we have variation on theme here. So then we've got this rose gold colour here, which looks like it's duochrome, if I am perfectly honest, in the pan. So that's what she looks like. We'll give her a swatch on my arm. Now, she is very, very similar looking to this one here. I have noticed she's not quite as blingy as that one. And then the last one in this pan is the deeper pink. So that is lovely. I think these would look beautiful on a range of skin tones as well, if I'm completely honest. I think you could get away with this if you're dark skinned or if you're pale skinned, you can use that as like a blush or a blush topper. But I think that is gorgeous. So that's the rose gold palette, and that's 4K. And then we've got the gold palette. So it's basically the same. On the back you've got a colour swatch of what they look like inside. Obviously it's the same, 4 grams per pan, you know, all this. I will come up close to the ingredients again, just in case the ingredients are different. They would be different because they've got different colours in them. So again, give it a pause if you wish to have a look properly. Okay, so those are the colours inside. So we've got, again, this like platinum white colour, which is very sort of chalky, but it is glossy at the same time, if that makes sense. I don't know if that does make sense. So I think that that is the same as that, if I'm honest. I honestly do think that. Then we have, this is my most worn colour out of the palette, and this is like a champagne colour, which is beautiful. That is just so pretty. It really is. So we'll give that a swatch there as well. So that's what that looks like. I will do a close-up of the swatches so you'll be able to see them properly. Then we have this, which has been described as a dupe for the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and that is what I call gold. That's what I call, that's from Miranda, isn't it? So that's a gold colour. So we'll swatch that also. So there we go. That's what that looks like swatched. You never know where to put your arm in these videos. And then the last colour is going to be this colour here, which is more of a, it's got a real glittery gold. It's, yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. But it's a warm gold without being yellow. It's like a rosy gold. So those are the two palettes. So I'm now going to do a close-up of the swatches for you so you can have a look. Slightly powdery, but when you get them on the skin, they're not. They just look wet. There's this real wet look to them. They just look amazing. They're just fabulous, just gorgeous. So how much are these? Well, they are £8 each. Now I know you're probably thinking, God, £8 for 4 highlighters is a lot. It is, but it isn't, because you're getting like a real professional blend. Also, you're getting a lot of product per highlighter. I mean, let's face it. I mean, you know, the only downside I would say is there is a lot of fallout. But I think that may be something to do with the content of pigment. Don't quote me, because I might be talking out my backside. Yeah, you are getting a lot of product. So you know, you're paying £2 per highlighter. I mean, I personally, I like it. I think it's worth the money because they are really beautiful. It is a real wet look that you get on the skin, and I'll show you what I mean because I'm going to use Jeffree Star's way of doing this to show you without the texture. Now he will use this part of his thumb here because you get no texture at all. So if you see what I mean, there's a real sort of luxurious wet look to that. I mean, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, and that isn't me just telling you that because, you know, I am telling you what I honestly think. I really love these highlighters. I bought them in the 3 for 2 off the Superdrug, so I actually went in store and got these because some of the stores have got them, some of the stores haven't. So I got another palette free, so it wasn't as bad as what you think. So it ended up being like £16, and I got 3 palettes, which, you know, equates to what, £4? No, £5. £5.33p a piece, which I don't think is unreasonable. It's obviously available at what was Tan Beauty, which is now Shop Revolution website, Revolution Beauty, and obviously at Superdrug as well. Not sure when it's going to be available on Ulta or Boozy Shop or even Revolution USA. I don't know when these will be available, but I'm pretty sure they'll be soon because they are very, very coveted and everybody is talking about how fantastic they are. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so pleased that you've been with me, and it's always a pleasure to show you the new makeup and everything that comes out. It's just lovely. So thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't done already. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So ta-ta for now. Bye.